Okay, Andy, this video is for you. I have your two quads here. Oh man, my voice sounds like shit. I don't know why. It's all raspy and shit. Excuse me. Okay, so I have your two quads and your radio. Okay, you ordered the radio along with the R9M Lite module. And then you ordered this, which is the Speed Racer Twig, and this is a Toothpick. So we'll go through the parts on each of them and I'll show you anything you might need to know. So on the Twig, actually, you know what? I think they have the same parts. Yeah, they have the same parts. This one, actually, I think this one has the GEPRC board and this one has the iFlight board. But other than that, everything else is the same. So you got the Hyperlight 1103 8022 kV motors. You have the Runcam Nano 2. You have XM Plus and a Unify Pro 32 Nano. And yeah, that's it. So on this one, I tried to make it to where you can access the stuff, but because I have your radio, it's not a problem because I already have them bound up and set up and everything. So, but anyway, on this one, the button for the let me look real quick. I usually put from the back, I usually put the receiver on the right and the VTX on the left. So you can see the bind button right there. I'm touching it right now. And then the button for the VTX, I can't see, but you'll be able to see it. If I look hard enough, I'll be able to find it, but I don't want to drag this video out. On this one, it's even easier because the canopy is more open. So the bind button, you'll be able to see right inside of here. I'm touching it right now. And then the button for the Unify is on this side. You can see it clearly right there. Okay. So in your radio, you hold down the button to turn it on.
Welcome to OpenTX.
You got two models. You got Toothpick and Twig. Okay. It's already on the Toothpick. So we will plug this in and show you the video and do a hover. I have the battery holder on this one, but not on this one. So I got pads and a nice rubber band. I had gotten this 303S because I hadn't tried 3S at all. I didn't really have any plans to or reason to, but I wanted to know if this would fit in this battery holder, and it actually does fit pretty nice. For anybody wondering, fits pretty good. Okay. This one also has the LC filter. So you can see the video looks pretty nice. What is that? Oh, it's on the screen. Okay. Yeah, the video's nice and clear. Super clear. So I would have to say that that LC filter works great. Alright. Here we go. So yeah, flying very nice. The thing with the iFlight board is that the firmware isn't in Betaflight. It's actually on iFlight's website. So, and they only have two of them. They have 4.0.4 and 3.5.7. Oh, when you get the board, it comes with 4.0.2. But the problem with that is the buzzer doesn't work on that firmware. So you have to use either 4.0.4 or 3.5.7. And I first tried 4.0.4, and the quad was just shaking and bouncing around and shit. It was just acting crazy. So I flashed it to 3.5.7, and it flies perfect. So that's just for anybody out there using the iFlight board. If you're wondering about the buzzer, or if your quad's jumping around on 4.0. Alright, so there is the Toothpick. Flies perfect. I unlocked the VTX, and it is set to 400 milliwatts. It's just completely ready to go. All you gotta do is turn on your radio, plug in the battery, and go fly. This switch right here is arm, so towards you is arm, away from you is disarm. This will be your flight modes right here. Okay.
Throttle warning.
Alright, let's check out the Twig. Nice thick rubber bands, so they hold the battery really nice, especially with those two pads in there. It's not moving. Okay, so same thing on this one. The VTX is unlocked, set to 400 milliwatts. I don't know why I turned that off. There's your video. Actually looks pretty clean too. On this one I ran the ground for the camera and the VTX both to the same spot. So that definitely works too. Really good. I mean, you can see how clear the video is with no LC filter. Flying very nice. Damn. All right. So there you go, man. You should have a lot of fun with these quads. They are very fun to fly. And I know you said that you're not going to have access to Betaflight or anything. And there won't be a need to. These are totally ready to go. Just plug them in and go fly. I think I covered everything, so let me know if you have any questions, and I'll send you over tracking as soon as I have it. Alright, thanks Andy.